Hey everybody, I'd like to share with you what your clanking or rattling or knocking sound might be on your LS1 if you've determined that it's not your motor or a lifter or something of that nature. If you're sure it's no internal engine problem, there's a really good chance that your front like clanking sound is coming from your water pump. So this is a water pump that's been on my car for 150,000 miles. Check it out. It should not have any play like this, and this sound right here is the exact sound you're hearing when your car is running. Your water pump. A quick and easy way to diagnose this: take off your serpentine belt. If the noise goes away, it's more than likely your water pump. So just trying to save you guys some time from changing everything out when it could be something really easy like this.